my Curry Workshop. Today I'm going to share with you my very simple recipe for making fresh garlic and ginger paste. Really simple to do. The method is really easy, and what you need is 50% each of ginger and garlic. So I'll take you through the method, show you how to get these out of the skins, and we'll make some gorgeous paste. Thank you. Okay, so let's start with the garlic. What I want to do here is get the cloves out of the bulbs. Do that by just breaking up normally with your hands, comes out quite easily. All the outer, there's the skin, don't lose any cloves, and just break them away from the root. And do that for as many cloves as you need for your recipe. So I've got my individual cloves now, so what I'm going to do, grab a knife, careful with your fingers, and just cut off either end. And then the technique I use, many other techniques exist, is just to carefully place a knife on top and then just press down, crush the garlic, and what you'll find, it splits the skin away. And you can normally just peel off, you get garlic fingers, peel off the lovely garlic pulp, which I'll add into my bowl. So I'll now repeat that process for all the other garlic cloves. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to prepare the ginger. Now the easiest way of taking the skin off ginger is to use a spoon. Really straightforward. Just scrape away. Smells gorgeous. Just scrape away the skin. Nice and quick. So that's what I'm going to do for all the ginger, and I'll be back in a few minutes. So that's my ginger peeled. Now what I need to do, because ginger's quite fibrous and doesn't break down as quickly as garlic in the blender, I'm just going to chop up the ginger into smaller pieces. Just so the blender can make quick work of them. So I'll just get all that chopped up. Gorgeous. Wow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to batch blend. That's when I've got a small blender. So when you look at the recipes on the internet, there's a mixture of people using oil. Now oil acts as a preservative, or water. I'm going to use oil today. Let's get some in there, some ginger, and let's get the blending process. It may take a while with ginger as it's a bit fibrous, but I'm going to do the ginger first and then swap over and do the garlic. Here goes. Keep adding in a little more as it breaks down. So as this is really a pre-blend, so I'm now going to add a little bit of oil just to help with the blending process. Let's have a quick look. You can see the ginger. Oh wow, that looks very nice. Still some chunks in there, but at this point in time I'm going to start adding in the garlic. Add that in batches and off we go again. What I'm going to do, just to give my blender a helping hand, is to just take out some of the paste. So get the rest of the garlic in. There we have it, garlic ginger paste. Lovely and smooth. That is gorgeous. Fresh and ready to use. You can freeze this, add it into ice cube trays, and just pop them into your dishes when you need. So hope you've enjoyed my recipe. Please let me know how you get on, and also please let me know how you get on cooking your fantastic dishes. All the best. Thanks.